Three, two, one, go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Mawati, a student of PGSD at UPBGG University Bandung. In this video, I will ask and answer some questions about time, day, date, and session, and then present a short dialogue using different tenses in English. Let's get started. Asking about time, day, date, and session. Me. Excuse me, can you tell me what time it's now? Sure, it's 3:30 p.m. Me. And what day is it today? Anna. Today is Friday. Me. What is the date today? Anna. It's the 9th of May. Me. By the way, what session it's new? Anna. It's pretty hard, but it might be different in the context. 2. Dialogue using present tense. Me. Hi Anna, what are you doing? Anna. I am studying for the upcoming exam. What about you? Me. I have already completed my assignment. Anna. Wow, that's good. I have been working on my project for 3 hours. Me. You must be tired. Anna. Yes, but I need to finish it today. Okay, next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.